Okay, so I just learned a very handy little trick here in AutoCAD that I wish I would have known months ago. But this trick is, it's a command that AutoCAD has called CHSPACE. And what that does is it allows you to take selected objects, like text and, shapes, whatever, and move them between model space and paper space. Well, it only works in layout. So I'm going to show you here. I'm on my model tab, and you can just start typing CH space. And once it populates, hit enter. And as you can see, it says command not allowed in the model tab. So I'm going to go to the layout tab. And now that we're in the layout tab, you can see that, some of my stuff's covered up here. And that's because I've got a wipeout block in here just for this tutorial purpose. So what I want to do is I want to take the text that's attached to this leader and pull it forward so that it's on top of my wipeout, but I don't want to see the triangle that was behind there. So the best way to do this is to double click into your viewport, and once you're in there, type CH space, and once it comes up, hit enter. Now it's going to ask you to select your objects. Now you can select whatever you want that you want to pull forward. I'm just going to select this right here, and as you can see, it's got my text attached to it. Once I have that selected, you hit enter, and it automatically pulls it forward into the paper space. As you can see, we've swapped to paper space, and now that's also selectable in the paper space. And you can actually reverse this by doing the same thing. You can just type CH space, hit enter, select your object, hit enter again, and it takes it away. Now, there's actually an even easier way to do this, and you can do this with, as many objects as you want. You can select whatever you want. I'll just select all those, and with them being selected, just type CH space and hit enter, and it'll just automatically pull it forward. And if you're just like, you know what, I don't want that on there anymore, so I'm going to get rid of that one, CH space, hit enter, and it pulls it right back into model space. But at the same time, in the paper space, the other things that you brought in are still there. Thank you for watching.